Alright, futuristic ride. I can change your life if you let me inside. No, I can't change my feelings for you, man. I know you want my love. My body's full of these drugs. Pour the codeine, pour for a body lean, and my heart cold hockey ring. I'm the biggest rock star in JC. 12 pulling up, what the fuck going on? I guess I heard young nigga clutching on their chrome. 999, no love all alone. I'm crying, won't pick up no phone. Heard a fuck nigga wanna join while I pull up on him. And he do not got no diploma, cause you know he don't. 500 million commas under my title. This is survivor. I know my baby a rider. She get a Fendi and Prada. Fuck it, might get her a Birkin bag. My nigga, they coming in first, never coming last. Ice on me, free tag. Took waiting niggas standing on the green flag. Green hearted young nigga knowing YTK. Ain't scared to make your mama pray. And I'ma say this every day that I'ma dip blow. You can write it on my grave. Alright, futuristic ride. I can change your life if you let me inside.
Yo, alright, futuristic ride. Yo, I can change your life, and if you not worth it, I won't waste a dime. Don't come around me if you is not my kind. If you ain't my dog, you know you get slimed. If I wanted you, girl, you know you'll be mine. Roll it on my wrist, I stick it till time. Boy, I ain't stupid. If you move on, niggas know I'ma shoot. Got a 50 round drum shooter, clip like a move. If I fuck up again, then I know I'ma lose. I get out the drink and I dance like I'm ooze. And y'all niggas losing, yo. These niggas mad that they lose. I'm sorry about your bitch, you know she be true. Got Gucci and Prada, you know I got loot.
I'm so high off this weed. Yes, I'm feeling like I'm sky high, but nobody can help me. Bitch, I'm stuck in a southwest plane. My mind's going straight up. I'm in a futuristic ride, and you wanna come with me all the time, but it's okay because you're not on your grind. I don't got the time. Bitch, I've been ballin'. Yeah, bitch, you know I'm ahead of the line. Yeah, bitch, I cut in the line because I'm so damn great. You can get the fuck out of my face. I'm in a futuristic ride. I don't know if I wanna live or die. It's okay, baby, it's alright. Cruising in the UFO, I'm fried.